Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to make this four-pointed transforming ninja star. This was originally designed by Rob's World and Jeremy Schaefer. To make this model, you'll need one sheet of printer paper. To start, you can fold it in half, like this. And you want to split it in half. Now you want to make 4 identical square sheets of paper from these 2 halves. To make one, do what you do to make a regular square sheet of paper from a piece of printer paper by folding this edge to the side. And you want to make 4 sheets of this square paper from the rest of the pieces of paper. I'll show you how to make one model, and then you can make the rest of the squares and make the rest, since all the models are identical. To make one of the models, first you'll have to fold the other corner to the opposite corner. Unfold and fold it in half. Now flip it over, and you want to make an airplane fold, folding this corner to the center and this corner to the center also. So it looks like this. Now, if you can see, there's a crease going along here, and you'll want to fold this bottom flap onto it. But when you fold, if you can see closely, there's a faint crease here, which makes a triangle, and you don't want to fold on that triangle. You want to fold everything else down except that triangle. So it looks like this. Now you can unfold. Now as you can see, this flap of paper went up. Now you want to complete the same by folding this edge to that line. But again, make sure not to fold the triangle down. So it should look like this. And unfold. Now you can unfold both of these flaps and reverse fold the triangles back. And here too. And now fold both of them back. As you can see, there's a crease that goes on like this. You want to push it up on that crease and fold it together. Now fold the top to here. So it looks like this. Now unfold, open it up, and fold on this reverse fold. So it will look like this. Now you're almost done, and all you have to do is reverse fold this flap again. And you've completed one of the modules. Now you want to rip these two papers into identical squares, 3 identical squares, and make the next 3 models by yourself. Once you've made all 4 of the models, then you can start to interlock them. First, you want to open up the flap of one a little bit and put the other one in. Try to make it perpendicular. Now you want to open it up and tuck both of these flaps in and pinch. And now sort of move it around, trying to break it through. If you do this, it'll be easier to transform later. Now take your next sheet of paper and stick it in like that, and try to make this perpendicular to that and this parallel to that. Once you've done that, you can open it up and stick these 2 flaps inside. Like so. And now again, move it around. Now, finally, take your last flap, stick it in here. Again, try to make this perpendicular to that and parallel to that. And stick these 2 in. Then move it around a bit. Now you're almost done. You only have 1 left. To do that, you can just put it in. And now, again, as usual, stick the 2 flaps in. Now you've completed your 4-pointed transforming ninja star. To make it transform, just gently push on the 2 opposite edges. Might be hard at first, but once you do it more, it'll become easier. Then push again on the next 2 edges together. So it looks like this. Then you can also transform it back to how it was before by completing the opposite.